Crave US iPhone 13 mini clear case. So you can see comes in a really nice pack, and this is for iPhone 13 mini. um, so this is a nice solid case with the clear sheet, and you can see that the corners and this are a hard plastic. And this is the my iPhone 13 mini that I'm putting in inside this one to show you how this looks like. And this one you can see like fits really well on the camera, and the camera have the curve, so it's very protective. The buttons are working really nice, and there is no issue with the working and the feel of this phone. And as this is the clear case, you can see all the design and color. So this is the MagSafe charging, and you can see this working really nice with this MagSafe charging. No issue with the charging of this phone and with this case. So the case is coming in between, but still it's a really nice. So you can see all the corners, and it's very protective for the screen, and you can just put in the things. So camera is also protected, and yeah, it's pretty much a very nice clear case.